Number 1, beetroot salad. Coriander leaves, sweet corn, salt as your taste, black pepper, pomegranate syrup, beetroot, boiled quinoa, then mix it. Ready to eat now. And then next, number 2, quinoa tabula salad. Parsley chop, mix bell pepper, cucumber, quinoa boil, lemon juice, some salt and black pepper is your taste, some olive oil, then mix it. Ready to eat. Next, number 3, fried salmon salad. Some tomato, cucumber, onion, mix bell pepper, fried salmon, some salt and black pepper, some olive oil. Very easy to make, and I hope everybody enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed.